So let's see. No. Very nice. See? I like it. It's just like I can feel the salt in it. It's just salty. Salty and sweet. It's very nice.
I like it.
Today's vlog, we're gonna do a chocolate unboxing and give you a review how it tastes like. And this is actually from Ireland. So in this box there are 20 chocolates which comes with different flavor. So as you can see, and it was at the back. So in this box there are pink Himalayan salted caramel, salted butter caramel, salted hazelnut caramel, and dark salted butter caramel. And this is from Ireland, but of course we bought it in Dubai. And my husband bought it few days back, so I just want to do unboxing. And this is my first time I'll have this kind of Butlers chocolate.
Mine is second time.
Yes. And this is not a sponsored video. Yes. I just want to share with you.
It's not a sponsored video like Jillian and I.
Yeah, so we just...
As it's so scary, but I watch it every day, but I'm not having night dreams.
Yes.
Just for one.
Yes. So now we just have to open this box and let's see its packaging. So Bella will open it, or I'll open it.
I'll open it. Scissors, but since I know how to cut, and I am big enough, so I'll do it myself. Right, Mama?
Yes.
Okay, open this up. I'm so excited. Just open it.
Actually, guys, this is also perfect for if you want to give someone like a gift. This is also perfect.
If it's their favorite, it's perfect. Right, Mama?
Yes. This is
wait,
a perfect...
Wait, Mama. Wait, it does have...
No, you just have to remove the tape. Wait. Just do this.
Okay, I'll do it. Wait, Mama, I think... I'll remove my tape. Wait, Okay, I'm so excited.
So now this is how it looks like.
Please just let's open it, Mama.
So wait, so another plastic here, so we have to open it. The packaging is nice.
Mama, where should I open? I want to open. You hold it like that.
Yes.
I might cut myself.
Yes.
Like this?
Yeah.
Which how?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah. Just poke it.
Okay, wait, I want to do it.
She wants to unbox.
I just
No, slowly. Bella. First, you have to remove this plastic.
Goodbye, plastic.
And now,
Time to
Bella stirred this one. Anyway, so you just have to open this. They have this logo. So it says B's because it is a Butlers chocolate. So you just have to open this. Just to open this one.
Yeah, open it.
Okay. Look at their packaging, is amazing.
Yeah,
Ta-da!
Let me get off.
Very nice chocolate.
So here's the one which was on it.
Yes. So you remove that now. So this is what's inside the box.
Ta-da!
So how many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Oh, sorry guys, not 20. There are 16 pieces here. So now We cannot wait to taste and give you the
Let's
review.
eat it.
In the box, guys, there's also this. You
Ta-da.
can see this inside the box. And this one. This is the one. So now we start the salted hazelnut caramel.
No, I just want.
So this is the one, the salted hazelnut caramel.
Yes, my favorite. I'm gonna try it.
So let's see. No. Very nice. See? I like it. It's just like I can feel the salt in it. It's just salty. Salty and sweet. It's very nice.
I like it. Yummy.
And also it's really melts in the mouth. Nice.
You wanna have a piece? That was so good. I think I could barely eat it all of them. If it's this one. Now what are we going to go with next, Mama?
Now, very nice, salty and sweet.
I want to pick now, Mama.
We'll just pick one.
I-
We can share because otherwise you will not eat all.
Mama, can I choose next one?
Okay, next one. Which one you want?
I like this one.
So now Isabella have chosen the dark salted butter caramel. So
Yes.
this is the dark chocolate. So inside in this, there's a salted butter caramel. So I'm gonna have bite.
Yeah, I can. I'll have my own.
Have this.
See.
You won't finish. It's just nice. Nice.
These are very good chocolate.
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Caramel.
Yeah. I like it so much. I give this double thumbs up. You can pick the next one.
Now, our third flavor is
Choose this. I was telling Mom to choose this.
this is the pink Himalayan salted caramel. It's color pink. It's a pink
Which
Himalayan
I like.
salt.
Which I like.
So sweet. Sweet and salted.
I am licking the pink side.
Don't you have to.
Jeez, I am.
Don't eat all. Because you won't finish. You can share with Mama. See, you don't like na?
I like it.
You like it?
My turn to pick.
This is our third.
Now time for the fourth.
Now, we're gonna take the salted butter caramel.
Mom, let's take this one because this is the only left. Look, this is the one which we got.
This is the fourth flavor.
You can have it first, Mama.
We have it.
Okay.
All of this chocolates has the caramel inside. It's nice.
Give it thumbs up.
It's Isabella's leftover.
I love this. You know what I love the most? This and this. Like I love them so much because they are sweet.
Oh, so you like the hazelnut?
I even just.
I like
I
all.
finished this all.
I like all because I love chocolate.
Yeah, me too. I like all of them.
Very nice.
You know how many there are left? There are 11 more left. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 more left. 11
We're
more
not
left.
eating all. Okay, now have a bite.
I love this.
This is the salted butter caramel. Nice.
Really, it was nice. No. I want this one. Please, could I have? I took this one because this is my favorite. I'm eating two because I like this. This was so good, guys. And there's 10 of these now.
So only this one is left.
Yeah, 10.
Enough na. Enough na. So, I keep finishing Bella's chocolate.
So good, guys.
Really, really good.
Guys, can I please have this, please? Please take this out of this.
Isabella doesn't like the caramel.
Yeah. But I do like caramel in the freezer, not in the chocolate. You still have more?
Very nice. So I really recommend you this chocolate, guys. If you come across in the supermarket or in the store, please don't hesitate to grab one because it's really, really nice.
Mama.
Wash your hands, please. And the packaging also is nice, and this is like perfect for gift on maybe on Christmas. This is really perfect because the packaging is very nice also. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope you have enjoyed our unboxing our salted caramel chocolates collection from Butlers, and I hope to see you to our next one.
Bye.